relax your head, bring your feet all the way together. And just relax. There we go. All the way. There we go. Actually shifting and realigning work really, really well. And like that one. Good. Awesome. Way back. Bring your feet closer together. There you go. So just relax your head back all the way, mouth closed. Perfect. And realign the hips and pelvis. There we go, on your back. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out all the way. Oh, nice. Bring your feet together. There we go.